In this video, I'm going to challenge myself to create a masterpiece in just 30 minutes. Now, some of you may be thinking, Tim, that's insane. Why would you do this to yourself? But let me tell you this, there's nothing more exhilarating than the creative process. But before we get started, we're going to need some supplies. Let's go to my favorite place in the world, Michael's. We're going to need paints and a canvas. As an artist, I'm always looking for ways to push myself and improve my skills. And heck yeah, the canvases are buy one, get one free. Now that I have all my supplies, I think I'm ready to get this one rolling. Alright, time is ticking, and I've only got 30 minutes to create something amazing. So on your marks, get set, go! The beauty of abstract art. There are no rules, no limitations, and no mistakes. It's all about letting your creativity run wild and see where it takes you. We've been through a lot together. We've created some masterpieces and some disasters. But you know what they say? If at first you don't succeed, paint and paint again. It's amazing what you can create when you challenge yourself and let your creativity run wild. This is what abstract art is all about. Taking risks, pushing boundaries, and creating something that's truly one of a kind. And done. Ta-da! Wow, I'm actually quite impressed with myself. Thank you for joining me on this crazy journey. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember, don't be afraid to take risks and push yourself to be better every day. Until next time, keep creating, keep laughing, and most importantly, keep painting. YouTube thinks you'll like this next video. Let's see if they're right.